Hello everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a flower in a pot, inspired for Mother's Day but can be used for any occasion. The things you'll need to make this craft are paper clips, paint, paintbrush, paper, other things like decorations for optional, tape, and glue. Let's get started. Hi guys, first, you guys notice my new background I made? It matches, in my opinion, pretty well with my nails. Also, I wanted to mention before we start the video, Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. And let's get on with the video. First, cut out a strip of thin paper, as you can see here. And however wide it is how tall your flower pot's gonna be. And then add some glue to the end, one of the ends of your strip, and kind of wrap it around into a tube like this. And this is going to be the size of your flower pot. And then just keep on adding glue as you keep on wrapping it around. Then add a piece of tape to secure the end. And you can use your scissors to cut off any excess paper if you want, or if you want your pot to be smaller. You can also take other strips of paper to wrap around the top edge to create a rim, or for any other designs you would like. Here I'm just gluing a thin piece of paper around the top to make the rim. And this is what mine looks like. Also, for the bottom of your pot, it's hollow right now, so to make a bottom for it, you want to add some glue to the bottom edge of your pot, and then just push it onto your paper. Let it dry, and then cut off the excess paper around it. And it should look something like this. You can also add any other designs you'd like. I have these little rhinestones, and you can just kind of peel off a strip, as you can see I'm doing here. And I'm just gonna put those all the way around the top rim of my flower pot. You can also use any other type of object, like this is a lid of a hot sauce container you could use that for a vase as well, or a pot, and then you can just use the flowers I'm about to show you how to make. Or I have these flowers here that I actually bought at a fish store, you know, those fake flowers or fake plants you put in your fish tanks, and they work perfect for little flowers for your dolls as well. But anyways, let's get on with how to make the flowers I'm going to be showing you today. So you can take any color of paper, and then you just want to take your scissors and cut out like a flower shape with little petals all the way around. And then you just want to cut one notch in between two of the flower petals. And then you just want to add some hot glue to one of the sides. Then fold over the other side on top to give it a little bit of shape, as you can see. It's more of a bowl shape than flat, or an actual flower shape. And then you can make other sizes of them, and then you can glue them together to create different layers of petals for your flower, as you can see I'm doing here. I have 3 layers of petals for mine, and then you just want to cut some yellow paper in really thin strips. And then you want to cut little sections of that, and you're going to glue those in the middle of your flower. And then you can just take your scissors and cut them down to the length you would like. And that is how to make the flower. And I also like bending over the petals, or giving them a little bit more definition and making them more noticeable, as you can see I'm doing here. Makes it look a lot more realistic. For the stem, I have a paper clip here. I just happen to have a green one, but you could paint a normal colored one. But I'm just unfolding it, and then I'm just gluing the flower to the end of it. And then you just want to cut it to the length you would like, a little longer than you would like actually. And then you want to bend down the bottom so it'll be flat and easier to glue it to the bottom of your flower pot. And then for the leaves, you just want to cut some paper. I have some green paper here, but again, you could just paint some paper green. And you just want to cut them into some leaf shapes. And then I like bending my leaves in half, as you can see here, to make a crease in the middle, and then unfolding them a little bit more to make them look realistic. And then I just glue them onto the flower. Now I'm just using some green paint. I added another leaf as well, and since my leaves don't really match my stem, I'm just painting them to kind of match the stem and make them look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm just painting the stem with that same color. And then you can glue them into the pot, but if you have the same problem with me where your stem didn't end up being long enough, which I should have measured, but I didn't, you want to have a piece of paper because you're going to add hot glue into your pot, and you don't want the bottom of your pot coming off, so I just have a piece of paper at the bottom. And then you just want to glue in a whole bunch of hot glue until it's the right height to stick in your flower. And then you can just hold it there until it dries. You guys enjoy this craft. Also, happy Mother's Day again to all the mothers out there. And this flower is perfect for a doll Mother's Day or any other occasion. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!